Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money on Alipay. So if you want to withdraw your money from Alipay to your Chinese bank account, then what you need to do is you need to simply come to alipay.com and then click on this login button in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. Now once you're successfully logged in on the home page, you just have to simply click on the withdraw button. Then you just have to tap on the withdraw to bank card option. Then tap on add bank card and enter the card number. Then you need to continue to select the withdrawal method, and then you need to enter the amount, and then you need to just confirm the withdrawal to the bank card. Select the card has been linked to the account, and the page will then display the arrival time of the withdrawal to the bank card as well as the card withdrawal limit, so that you can choose according to your own needs. You need to add a new bank card. So if the account withdrawals to the bank cards total more than this much amount on the same day, you will need to click on add a shortcut bank card option before continuing the operation of the withdrawal. Second thing, you need to select the computer transfer option and then enter the amount, and the page will prompt the arrival time of the withdrawal to the bank card. So you need to follow these instructions in order to withdraw your money on Alipay into your Chinese bank account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.